If you're looking for the best just released AI software to detect AI written content, this new AI content detector might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before using it, so you avoid the hype and actually understand what makes this tool worth it. Stick around, because by the end there's one feature most people overlook, but it's what makes this detector far more powerful than the free ones floating around online. You can try this AI content detector for completely free. The first link in the description takes you straight to it. No credit card needed. Just test it out and see how it stacks up. Now, first, accuracy. Most AI content detectors throw random confidence scores at you, but this one actually breaks down sentence level detection. So instead of vague, likely AI labels, you get real context. What parts are likely AI generated and why? That's critical if you're editing or auditing content at scale. Second, this software works on both short-form and long-form text. Unlike tools that fail when analyzing small paragraphs or bulk uploads, this handles both cleanly, which makes it ideal for marketers, SEO writers, and editors. Third, speed. It's fast. You get results in seconds, even with long articles. No spinning loaders, no signups just to run a scan. This is crucial when you're scanning content in bulk or working on client deadlines. Fourth, this AI content detector includes a plagiarism check built in. That means you're not just checking if something was AI written, you're also checking if it was copied. That two-in-one combo is rare, especially in newer AI software. Next, one of the most underappreciated features, real-time model updates. As new AI models like GPT-4 Turbo or Claude Opus roll out, many detectors go outdated fast. But this one integrates regular model refreshes, meaning it stays ahead of the curve. Another point, integration options. For agencies or teams using Google Docs, WordPress, or even bulk import tools, this software supports easy plugin access and API functionality. It's designed not just for solo use, but for workflows. And finally, transparency. Unlike older AI detectors that hide behind confusing percentages, this one gives a confidence range and shows exactly what it's basing its detection on. You can actually learn from it. Great if you're trying to humanize AI content or avoid detection altogether. Remember, this AI content detector AI software is one of the most practical and up-to-date tools out there right now. And again, you can try it for free from the link below. And if you're wondering whether AI content detection is actually reliable right now, hang tight. In an upcoming video, I'm testing this software against the top LLMs like GPT-4 and Claude to see who gets flagged and who slips through. You won't want to miss that. Lastly, I've tested thousands of AI tools, literally, and listed my top free AI software picks in the description. Check those out after you test this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.